If you've ever heard people talk about Powerball and wondered how it actually works, especially when they mention things like power play and multipliers, then this breakdown will make everything clear in a simple, conversational way. Powerball is one of those lottery games that looks complicated from the outside, but once you understand the structure, it becomes very straightforward. The main idea is simple. You pick numbers, you wait for a draw, and if your numbers match what comes out, you win prizes depending on how many you match and what features you added to your ticket. But where things get interesting is when we start talking about optional add-ons like power play, which can increase your winnings in certain situations. At its core, Powerball is a game built around two sets of numbers. You choose 5 numbers from a large pool, and then one additional number, called the Powerball, from a smaller pool. The goal is to match as many of these numbers as possible with the ones drawn during the official drawing. You don't need to match all of them to win something. Even matching just the Powerball can give you a small prize in many cases, while matching all the numbers leads to the top jackpot, which is usually paid out over time or as a lump sum depending on the winner's choice and the rules in that region. Now, the part that many people find exciting is the idea of increasing your potential winnings through something called power play. Power play is an optional feature you can add when you purchase your ticket. It costs a little extra, but what it does is multiply certain non-jackpot prizes by a random multiplier drawn during the game. That means instead of winning a fixed amount for a certain level of match, your prize can be significantly increased depending on the multiplier that appears. Here's how it works in simple terms. When the Powerball drawing happens, there is also a separate draw for the power play multiplier. This multiplier is usually a number like 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, and sometimes even 10x depending on the jackpot size and game rules at the time. So if you win a prize that would normally be, for example, $100 and the multiplier drawn is 3x, your prize becomes $300 instead. It's important to understand that this does not affect the jackpot prize itself. The jackpot stays the same regardless of whether you added power play or not. The multiplier only applies to the lower tier prizes. To make it even clearer, imagine you matched 4 numbers plus the Powerball, which is already a strong winning combination in the game. Without power play, that prize might be a fixed amount set by the game rules. But if you added power play to your ticket and the multiplier drawn is 5x, then that same prize becomes 5 times larger. This is why many players consider power play an attractive option, because it gives them a chance to increase their winnings without changing the actual numbers they picked. However, one important detail that often gets overlooked is that the multiplier is not something you choose. It is randomly selected during the draw. This means you cannot predict or control whether you get 2x or 10x. Every player who added power play is subject to the same multiplier for that draw, so it's completely based on chance, just like the number selection itself. Another thing worth understanding is that not all prize levels are multiplied in the same way. In many versions of the game, the jackpot is excluded from power play multiplication, meaning no matter what multiplier is drawn, the top prize remains fixed. Some lower tier prizes may also have capped multipliers, depending on the rules at the time. For example, there are situations where the 10x multiplier is only available when the jackpot is below a certain amount. When the jackpot grows very large, the highest multiplier may be removed from the pool and replaced with lower ones, like 2x, 3x, 4x, and 5x. This keeps the game balanced while still offering enhanced prizes. Now, let's talk about why people choose power play in the first place. The main reason is simple psychology. The idea of turning a small win into a much larger one feels exciting. Even though the jackpot remains the ultimate goal, most wins in lottery games come from the lower prize tiers. So adding a multiplier gives players a way to potentially boost the value of those smaller wins. It's a trade-off because you pay extra for the feature, but in return you get the chance to increase your payout if luck goes your way. Still, it's important to understand that power play does not increase your chances of winning. Your odds of matching numbers remain exactly the same whether you add the feature or not. The only thing it changes is the size of certain prizes after you win. Many people misunderstand this part and think it improves their chances, but in reality, it only affects payout amounts, not probability. The actual draw process itself is also quite structured. Numbers are selected randomly using official machines designed to ensure fairness. First, the 5 main numbers are drawn, and then the Powerball number is selected. After that, the Power Play multiplier is drawn separately. All of this happens in a controlled environment to maintain transparency and randomness. Once the results are confirmed, they are published, and players can check their tickets to see if they have any matches. If you're trying to understand the flow from start to finish, it goes like this in a simple mental picture. You choose your numbers and optionally add Power Play. You buy your ticket before the cutoff time. Then the draw happens. First comes the main numbers, then the Powerball, then the multiplier. After that, your ticket is checked against the results. If you match numbers, you fall into a prize category. If you added Power Play, that prize may be multiplied depending on the drawn multiplier and the rules for that prize tier. One thing that makes Powerball interesting is how the excitement builds around the idea of what if? Even if someone doesn't hit the jackpot, the possibility of turning a smaller win into something much bigger with Power Play adds another layer of anticipation. It changes the way people experience the draw because now there are 2 outcomes to think about. Whether you win, and if you do win, how much it could be multiplied by. At the same time, it's always important to stay grounded about how these games work. Everything is based on probability, and the outcomes are random. There is no pattern or strategy that can guarantee success. Powerball, including the Power Play option, is designed as a game of chance. That means results are unpredictable by nature, and each draw is independent from the last one. So when people talk about Power Play being a multiplier, what they really mean is a bonus feature that can increase certain winnings after the fact, not something that changes the fundamental odds of the game. It is an enhancement layer, not a shortcut. Understanding this difference is key to understanding the entire structure of how Powerball works. In the end, Powerball with Power Play is simply a structured lottery system where you pick numbers, wait for a random draw, and see if luck aligns with your ticket. The multiplier adds an extra twist that can make some wins more exciting, but it doesn't change the core nature of the game. Everything still comes down to chance, randomness, and timing. Draw, and see if luck aligns with your ticket. The multiplier adds an extra twist that can make some wins more exciting, but it doesn't change the core nature of the game. Everything still comes down to chance, randomness, and timing.